Are you a registered nurse that's planning on taking your NCLEX-RN exam and are wondering what are the best visual learning strategies? So in today's video, we will be talking about the best strategies for visual learners. And let me tell you, you're not alone in this. I was one of them too, and I struggled a lot with reading text. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Hello registered nurses, welcome back to another video. My name is Karen Zedvin and I've been a nurse for about 6 years in the United States, and on this channel I'm helping registered nurses throughout the world and mostly from Pakistan get through their NCLEX-RN journeys with flying colors. So in today's video we will be discussing about the strategies that I used as a visual learner. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the material you need to master before taking your NCLEX-RN exam, don't worry at all. Today, we are diving into powerful visual learning strategies that will help you absorb and retain all the information that you're going through in your preparation. So let's get started. First of all, I want to talk about the power of visual aid. There are a lot of studies that show that we remember more something that we visually see. So why not take advantage of that when we are preparing for an NCLEX-RN exam? Use flashcards, mind maps, and color-coded notes to help you visualize complex components of your NCLEX-RN exam. Flashcards are an amazing strategy for active recall. Write a question on one side and the answer on another side. This helps you test yourself regularly. Add color to your cards and highlight key facts that way, like blue for important medications and red for high priority signs and symptoms. Now, since we have discussed flashcards, this brings us to our next visual aid called mind maps. Mind maps is a great way to visually connect information that you go through in your preparation. Start with a central concept like cardiovascular system and branch out to related topics like heart diseases, medications for heart diseases, and the signs and symptoms of heart diseases. This connection helps you reinforce your understanding on a given topic. Creating these visual connections not only help you organize information, but also helps you see a bigger picture. Another great tool that I myself used when I was taking my NCLEX-RN exam is educational videos. YouTube and many online platforms like Khan Academy or Registered Nurse RN offer tons of amazing nursing related video that can help you break down simple concepts. It can also help you break down complex topics with visual explanation. Videos with animation and 3D graphics make topics like anatomy and physiology way easier to understand, and it's going to also help you retain that information that you are seeing. Visual aid is all about bringing textbook to life. Diagrams, charts, and infographics is an absolute must when you are preparing for your NCLEX-RN exam. For things like pharmacology or disease processes, having a visual reference helps you solidify information in your mind. Using flowcharts is another great way to prepare for your NCLEX-RN exam and is an amazing visual aid. It helps to track disease progression or create diagrams for complex body systems. This will help you recall key information in your exam. And let's not forget about practice questions. I cannot emphasize this enough. I think in all of my videos, this has always been the thing that I stress on the most. Practice, practice, practice. You can also find practice questions with illustrations and diagrams. The NCLEX loves to test your ability to apply knowledge to real-world scenarios. So practice with visualization is going to boost your confidence for sure. Finally, create a video study schedule for yourself. A calendar or planner with color-coded blocks can help you stay organized and can help you with avoiding feeling overwhelmed. Visual reminders can help you break down your study material into manageable chunks. Remember, it's not about cramming information, it's about consistent and smart studying. Visual strategies just not help you learn, but retain and apply the information that you have learned. So grab your markers, your flashcards, and highlighters, and let's make studying for NCLEX-RN exam enjoyable and an exciting challenge. Good luck, future nurses. Keep pushing forward, and I know you are going to rock your NCLEX-RN exam. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more nursing insights. And if you have any suggestions or any topics that you want me to make a video on, I would love to do it for you. So leave it in the comment below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.